papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba 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 amansane yena Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu
Right, ebusia majo na makwaba ene eye eda ifiada, and of course 4th June 2021 eye ene ya transi nyamre na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ adwendwene ɔman Ghana ho na yɛ fiada tini yatrasie in the first 30 minutes yɛne financial experts enyamrɛ na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ahwɛ kwan bɛfa so betumi atoto sikasɛm na aboa ma afi mu na yɛde yɛsi ɛno so yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ no yɛtumi ayɛ your new year resolutions a woyɛyɛ afei na yɛakyɛ mu mmienu nti the question is sɛ wode nneɛma bɛyɛ mmiɛnsa na esi w'ani so a ɛmfa na akɔduru sɛ ɛna nneɛma esi korɔ ɛnim sɛ nneɛma yɛ dendeɛ but still you should be able to do something right if you plan well ɛnɛ yɛne national organizer ɛde ɛma credit unions Roger Musafo as usual ofie bɛnyamrɛ na yɛtumi adi nkɔmmɔ and then owi a ɔbɛsɔre na ɔnyɛfo no nso aba na ɔnyɛfo no tena ase a nsɛm no dɔɔso ɛnɛ June 4th NDC ɛne kanama pani Rollins abusua ɛde June 4th no fɛfɛɛfɛ ama no ayɛ akɔnɔ na nsɛm ahodoɔ ɛna wɔn de tu dwa ɔbra June 4th no wɔn edie kanama pani Rollins ne baba member of parliament for Klote Klore constituency in the Greater Accra region Dr. Zenato Rollins egyina CPA so ɔkasa ɛna ɔde ato dwa sɛ deɛ kan ne papa ɛma June 4th ɔsɔre yɛ ɛtwi tuo ɛde ɛgye ɔman yi ɛne sɛ na nneɛma ɛnkɔ yɛ ɔman yi mu na enei sɛ ɔno ɛne n'abusua ne NDC amanyɔkuo ne Ghana man yɛtewa ne yɛhwɛ a deɛ na ɛkɔ so June 4th ma ne papa ɛtwi tuo no saa na ne nso ɛkɔ so wɔsi ahokyerɛ ne ahoyɛhia ɔmanfoɔ no kɔɔ mu saa brɛ no saa na ne nso ɛkorɔ nti ɛwɔ sɛ ɛha sɛ to nneɛma right ahwɛ na amoa ɛno nso ɛyɛ nsɛm a Senator Rollins ɛde ato dwa John Dramani Mahama leader of the NDC former president His Excellency ɛnso ɛnsɛm ɔde kɔto dwa ɛwɔ June 4th no ase ɛne sɛ Bonika ɔsɛ Ghana is in dire state our economy our democracy is in dire state ɔbɛn Mahama Dada Mahama say ɔman Ghana nei no ɛnɛma nkɔye kabima minka bi no nkɔye ɛyɛ asɛe ɛna ɔman no sikasɛm toto ɛnso no ɛyɛ asɛe koraa nti ɛwɔ sɛ nyinaa yɛka bɔ mu na yɛhwɛ na yɛto abiɛda na sɛdeɛ mpanimfoɔ bi si kyia no deɛ sɛ yɛanka ne yɛanhwɛ anka mu afɔdo abiɛda a ahwɛ na ɔman no ɛnɛma ankɔye ɛnso antumi amfa ama yɛn ɛno nso ɛne deɛ Ghana mampanin dada NDC amanyɔkuo no ɛka no di ni John Dramani Mahama so etimi ɛde ato dwa nti benyamrɛ na no so yɛdi nkɔmmɔ on the June 4th National Union of Ghana Students NUGS ɛnso ɛde kasa tententen akɔma Achimota Board of Directors ɛna afei school mpanimfoɔ sɛ ɔmbɛsrɛ ɔmo a the High Court ruling na ɛba a yɛ sɛ Rastafarians yɛnyɛ ɔmo no ɔmo mfa nkɔdaa no na ɔmo nyɛ asɔ ɔmo kɔ appeal to the court decision no ɔmo se ɛyɛ sɛ ɛmoa ɛno nso ho nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ aha saa nso na kwaku baako nso nka bie ɛde akyerɛ Kujata Abrakwa member of parliament for Northton sɛ wafra mampanin ɛsi anamu sɛ ɔmmra minister for ɔno koraa no ɛyɛ yɛ maame okay so minister for national integration okay sɛ ɔmmra na ɔmɛboa na afei yɛntumi ɛhu kwampa ɛfa so a jet no sɛ te sɛn interior ministry nso amɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ what is the state of our current private jet a mampanin ɛyusu na wɔsi wosan katakasa kyerɛ saa basabasa saa ɛmoa ntɔno nso ɛka n'adwene ɛde akyerɛ mene woka sɛ nyame ɛyɛ adom a wɔkyena sɛ wokɔforo kaa ɛne mate ni nkɔkɔ ntɔkwa cars sɛntiadeɛ no atotum 13% ɛna ɛbɛka ho ɛfi kyena on the 5th of June atoto kaa skam 13% GPRT voice of Africa na bon sama wo mo isɛ na nkɔmɔ hwɛ no mu sɛ 20% ɛne 30% kora no ɛna ama saa ɛna akɔwie 13% wokɔforo kaa wɔkyena bɔmɔde a ne fa sika no bi ka ho ya to ka sika no emu ɛno nso ɛho nsɛm ɛwɔ ha benyamrɛ na yɛtumi yɛde aseda ɛnkɔma God's Way Casket Shop Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center Kumawu Training Institute ɛna afei Madam Catherine Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic so ma so asene me de dwumadie no etumi ɛde abobeden ɛde Michael Nana Admako from Sir Mike on behalf of the entire crew ɛmo ajo ɛmo akwaba aha ɛyɛ Kumawu TV dwumadie no ɛyɛ Sinupia Trans Nyamrɛ na yɛdi nkɔmɔ ora James Afo kantanka na nka ne din ho ɔyɛ the Ashanti Regional President Edema Credit Unions, National Organizer Credit Unions, Atenase. Inyamre na edisikasem eho faje nkyerabra na inyamre kinka fa wase busa bi so amanam ntem na afi inyamre entimi ebusa emfa emo. Rasa bakwa ba.
Ya minu ya.
Bia bokọ de.
Yesu adaro ma bia bokọ.
Good. Say Metiefo na ya na oyo mo bet. All the same. Is it or say say ne inya biagu a na inya biagu ho. Na etimi aboa. Well, adwuma bokọ de.
Adwuma bokọ.
Mo ya credit unions. But then akwaya say institution na wodo no an esu. Sikasem enkoye, adwumasem enkoye. Mo so sanet here, ana bia mo de mo gigi scanty no. Eje enkoye kura mu hunu.
Di kan me da se bebe me din chiama ahwefo ne atiefo. Eche obi a numre. No ka ni yehia ya chakakra. Ni nyina ye adwuma no up and down ne aja nti. That we are not advanced from Resu in Yakakra. So we are not advanced in money time. Now, and the daily program, weekly program, Akusia. And then you have to say 1 month and a day so. A quarter to it.
Banja, no, I I want to know more at the Sa. And no more, they were Ghana. I'm on for complaining. Who said, yeah, you may, yeah, the sponsors. And I, the Iranian media houses. But almost sponsors no come to catch say, I bet na move boo. And so Nipa also be Tony Manakwana head ambassador. Will be asking him more.
That's the way. It may be anywhere. Or because of one day or 100% freedom in business. Company be our industry be anywhere or 100% freedom.
Okay.
Because we say you do no. People say money in secretion. Because with the economy here, for the from 2018, Ghana economy is in peace and it's done. And we be as stabilizing. Now you know the atu yase because COVID-19 no the effect in the dozen. The replication in dozen. Nti ye nya no ahongron as a state. And it's a basa na it's affect businesses. Every individual corporate bodies in affected. Because yes, 2020 mono. Nobody thought say there will be a COVID-19 global pandemic. We thought say Asia. Yes, Sub-Saharan Africa is free, but you want to say Edruya. No more or man anti-president say Yebeno Yakoye. And no more business and cash and say or fatan to their budget. But COVID, you know, so we now I PPEs then company be a budget home. The boy. So now I'm saying COVID, you know, ebe can ye Yama we come now was be cosro. One he na revenue no bunya especially we CD revenue. Because no we beginning the year no. What pattern into the budget. But at all you have no choice. You have to be here. The person at the economic action baba. Eba the effect broad from the presidency to the last person on the ground. The effect never can. Because if you man for instance here 2020 budget, yeah, can say remember free water, yeah, can say free electricity, yeah, can say and could be school at the Dieka. But COVID by you know, the government how to do that. The same thing applies to businesses. And maybe I say, look at what is going on currently in the country. Erratic power supply. Now, you can't say 2021, you
do so.
You cannot say erratic power situation.
And no, so the battery more.
Do CSU, do Jay, a bad thing in the nation. May say, I will not support a power outage 1 minute, I won't support. Because a basana is slow productivity, effective businesses. Because say you do like an hour, the command it will quantify. So you lose per hour. Okay, because in the 21st century, do so is a thing of the past. But in the case of Ghana, I said you're going to cry. Ebechi, and my young growth. The person strong economic replication. Then the young win.
Nti right. Afi yam refi financial mismanagement. Dealing with that. It will say maybe be over. Company be over. Share se kese. Onu ba on na companies ne ko form. Be over. Ejuma ra share se o tuna ejuma efo ka kama. Ejuma ne ko so. Be do be so afi na ejuma no san etiba form. Kwan ba na wo so e fa so. Especially institutions. Bojua for na yebetumi manage isika ebese ehu se ede ne ye as institutions masika no kra no adwuma ne kwasoro a etimi teba fom and then iwia wa me ehunu de wo se ye what are we not doing right ema adwuma ekwaso a na fe yes I teba fom then iwia na ya behwe what can we do right to keep businesses moving
me da se biem e say financial management a broad topic. Then they be miuni me sambi. Because financial management no. Aduma bia ni wo obepese. Wa share aduma na se. Aduma ne koso na e decline. Aduma bia ni wa opesa. But one or two things bia yen fatali in no. Ti yakọ ni ma na e decline.
Okay.
Financial management first topic is about planning.
So planning.
Yes. Financial everything but of the planning they say or the effort come on would case study if you come on wood as a institution you share it must say yeah before I share it must also unya butai the project is say you grow come on wood one of the network here about around the nation and outside the nation. Oh, it is a statement with the two staffs, and I start there for income ebano with the two staff to near strength. You know, it manage. ABS because you need car, but it means a call be a high car. It is your budget and end of the month. You know, your revenue company nenyano. It means spending according to your strength. Na yenye bi asie. The most demand ko ni ma afi na mo say demand penny for that say. Omo ya extravagant omo spend about. That's a financial mismanagement no. Okay. Maybe meanwhile no the income the money generating no. In this car you spend for the month no it's more than what we are being generated as income. I don't say the man say no the money need official car but it mean chaka car dey bia no it mean ma yesika idea the man no so is the case here the duru level bi no first month income level no you go to bank second month you go to bank you go to car see
okay
auto car no so a obefu car no obe service car no the additional burden about so. That's the first, first point of the financial management. Because you are planning to say, I don't know, something you may say 2 to or 5 years time. You are planning. First 2 years, you have to official vehicle for the business.
Okay.
Then could you official a bro your strength so. You pay staff no, you overpayment. I bro your strength. We go according to our strength. For the first 5 years, now you have a growth of the business, and it's about planning.
But when you so be say, hey, beer, now you plan towards that. But I go and say no. Me here can't on with me. Actually, maybe cry they are cock. Maybe I'm a cost supply. First, and supply no. One now they call offer trot ruby, and now offer dropping beer.
no akusina odi chi ene dia wo se wo hia car na de akosa supply no no wrong
no economist as a economist no obafa eno as a implicit cost na finance person finance say implicit cost explicit cost rather
explicit cost
you know account do you have account no explicit
okay
but economy finance implicit
chichimaka
and say dem be na me can't be an example about me man loan man facility man loan it's not supply fish a farm place there about no to fish na watch afaka not the come supply via obi want the sika then come to a time na the gentleman came to me open loan akotoka kia ono akọ supply watch ke lolo say utuama drop for na it to say orusu match na say na wa fata implicit cost because okuyi no wana ma we no the maintenance cost eja okawu the fuel cost and ma bi wa eja okawu car ekopema eja okawu e wono o fata o se dabi o wa fata sa no mani nyina o fe bo wie no e come mechanic shop wa you spend more than say car o be high car no ebia na no it all says parents na e continue the man scanner okuta no it's not your money if you can bank loan for nyaduma menya wa personal capital or company capital be Mr. Managing no ebia o started man beginning no e busi ara ko no bank ebia na 1000 why duma okuta be 200,000 we say the man as growth rate it's growth rate still no all say a primary stage who move business no because I say we nyan be as a time form of the capital
and sana na washa say
that's what we should be 2 to 3 years wako wanim but so no more experience on the business
okay
so you can plan well about the business go enough capital that's say who tibia I think say capital be say 50%. Now which 5% akoto property bia and 30 main capital no. When the case here over 10%, 25% akoto ka. The one factor implicit cost wa. It bo ko ma fe ma no kwa you ya crime say production possibility frontier curve. Start business here.
Okay.
Begin to say bottom of the table. Uma na ekosoro na appreciate na eko because I want to see uko growth after you are moving after. But the most say we uko ye extravagant expense pay na as a depot. We bia capital na we push business no. Lose strength. Because it was say all is well. But ubura mu no asa thank you. The industry no as a businessman woman no. Maybe be no so ma time. Say me adumai. For the first 5 years there. Yes. I say up ya capital. As a bank to ajim this free ma.
Yeah, the bit to sustain
business no. That's the effective planning. Sani na anu staff ono be me anu you talk to them so for the man be a growing concern let's all build it together a grower we share it together
I don't know ya no kre
yes
because obi ha e grow no ya fa no obi tu no fa kan oh san kan nka me wa fa assessment so kra no be bo no share ho yes
obi was
in media institution o Ghana in companies ni bi ha ebia omane me ye fine pa o ko jo advert no obetumi akiro se got me put you as me si ba wo kwa ebetumi wo so he advert na ebia wo de ba na ubenya manager no he ska ebia obenya free advert no mu no a doso no ha koye nti ebia katua wontimi ntua no wa kwaja to no so so wotua nti at times I moka say when it grows we grow together no na nyina na ye no kre.
So it grow together means Also, the question, sorry, they say minimum wage free 11.70 to 12.53.
But I know you are affected.
That be
Minimum wage,
minimum wage, you know, Axano. Minimum wage means says you employ with every sector of the economy, either being private or government, you know.
I was saying, yeah, my
crown 12 series 53 pesos.
Yeah,
it's a law, a binding by law.
I know how.
Send that's why it's about a labor commission omoduma.
Omoyede.
How the
The brave Ghana omoye juma minimum wage in a new 9 cities a day.
say and say whenever you are in the economy, everybody say labor is chasing for a job. That's why it's to come.
When labor
Is chasing for job.
woman no kopa juma.
Yes.
The juma woman here or there.
In the minimum wage by juma.
Yeah.
So when job is chasing for labor, you the labor now will tell me what price.
Yeah.
Because they want your services.
Yeah.
But in the case that you are pushing service to them, they have to give them their price.
Okay.
But ideally there, one trend can cry no. Should be 12 cities a day, minimum wage. And she's now can it might be anyone as a you grow business. Because you grow together and no there was so many meaning.
Okay.
If you share the mass in sorry 500 Ghana cedi a month. The phone you maybe you appreciate by no cities. That's why the business is going together.
Yeah.
They move no also sorry they move. You know fako. So word that's how it means. Yes, I say be na come with semiki. Every month you amount 1,000 cedis. That's the first story they show say. After 1 year, that time say the man say you growth. You call your your income level akosoro. On what meeting? For in fact, why are they in your for the money say there's a growth. In the board management say you every staff via this percentage. Now then the starts adjustment. Then it's going to with you. If only a person now was free, so adjustment call different adjustment. That's how business is going with the staff.
Okay. But in the situation that ABA, you might be what you don't pay for no show up. They want to show.
Yes, show of affluence.
Yeah. Indeed, no, Sano pay. Kakraba is someone, I was on a car.
Yes.
A crab and someone, I was a son of phone. A crab and someone so peg get can home. Those things no a bed memoir. The back as a financial mismanagement. Say affect the wine.
It depended say the money. It will affect the business. Say the more would draw money more than 10 business no. Not o capital also a decline.
Okay.
Come on my case the baby ah. The money grow na a decline. Ebi staff behavior or staff attitude.
You might phone
attitude to me.
Almost no buying.
If you fit in my group. Them there was a management.
I want to take a crack.
The management of the business.
Almost
attitude to fit the business. And the owners of the business.
You may rap for Nankasan.
Aye. And the economic situation of the nation.
Okay. Or mine society is
economic situation. To fit business.
You may cry and you could create Mr.
And I say, the staff actually say, if I say, be a come out with a media. Me as well say, it means program a panelists here, to attract viewers or listeners. We use insultive language. I feel some staff attitude towards the business. At that point, to the business, to the work. But I say, is this staff compare a imra advert imra? Yenya income run the business. Okoji advert no, it be 3,000. Was a penny 3 but me kon go just say 1,000. 2 dey me no untem. That's why staff attitude affecting the business. Okoji and what 2,000 share. 2,000 aba. Enti income was income company expected for the month, you know. Staff attitude you
okay.
Secondary, staff body language approach customers. Occupants advertaba. The casa crowd, the body language, the casa yede. doesn't attract but rather repair.
Say no kra.
Or say no.
No, entry nipa ma, entry sika ma dwuma.
Skema. Start attitude doing working hours.
The brewa amanfo bie shops among stores among okoto ade o ha won san ko bio.
Yes,
because of onono attitude.
Attitude.
But they adwuma.
It will entrate e rather repair you. Uma obi
what to kra.
So on capital.
Okay.
Be go emu. Every time I'm about taxi mono around 20 now 2010 last year caravan hotel lodu nwia so nwia ni okrobo bi da so wana ka gura hu rodma okome look at the attitude obi atoka fanya duma na me no ye dere bread as look at the punishment here o say ka na e fa no the attitude staff attitude it will good business but obi okon office now o say unya time na o me afon so opamo o say bi achapa around 2010 thereabout na mi kutua water bay o adum maybe let us say for no so money water to you the same office mi corner lady now so attend to me no kasia no be at 10 minutes o ta fon so we no charge no so lady that man unya ho a ko that's my man we you postpaid you in so me medical enjoy na me as a good citizen no me dey bra aban no when you prepaid you
yeah
you postpaid I enjoy the terms of the water there is kind of back makasa na me file on name tag na me ba office send me pay account office and I the charge of there from the com I'm saying the bena what is wage is unya enjoy we are ka we ko so osa patch so me see that I'm saying there is what appeal to me at the modern office e ku fiaska but the lady in the body language any language you can set no buy no I say miskana kofi so man say mo ya institution ma charge so the staff are to always drive your customers away. Also, when you office, you can offer one staff. Those are you think you know we need to do. Some say money in the dia. Me, if you what be for my beam. Look at attitude. I would hear about Eduma. Next time, Oboko beam. Any staff attitude, no.
Okay.
Yamra the management. Management is control businesses no. Remember the Russia Mosa. You supposed to be Mufad Manase Mamuduma. I say operation manager. I'm surprised Guswa. Now we better to so. I now wait 30 not cost. You are the same person as our competitor in market. Any normal price. Would they too expensive? They never.
Ento.
Yabi, ento. Afi mo say mo to superman no. Na mo ko ada produce. Two, mo na mo say manage finances. Tabi na mo de effective prices. Ebi is a company na di na mo di biara to so. Afi mo so no. O mo say fa ba do say employ unqualified staff. Zana waka. O be employ on get friends, the boyfriends want to perform. Now, a demand progress say decline. If you saw long as the management, no, move ready, because we are in Nano, as we go nowadays. Until sign the part of the office in the mind. Who say, the money? But you go a comedy. If you had more in there or enough preserve you. Asa na samra eduma wura afofo da be kasa eduma bia obe bia ne ebi Dangote kwa so so e fi adaka Dangote was aro no tabla mi tie Dangote interview bi o se na no Dangote group of companies no when you salary o mama ye no 1,000 man se bo so me so a dem ni zero mo fa me nti na Dangote be over spend ya ono na spend e bi no rutua ne ma school fees o say Dangote ba Dangote abanti o say back mu akata mo ska ekofi o de mo wa so na ba bi ugbo ma no e bia the more we draw money brebe no e ko na income level na e ba no you are spending more than what we are earning. And I feel so. Edmund Russell also nya strong or a big stomach to accommodate both the management and staff. One to towards them. Also, more welfare a young. Most you always show concern. It motivates them to also deliver both the staff and the management. Who be the owner of the business, no? Also, and then also responsibility. So they make sure say the staff demand always be meet. What will meet your demand? So the salary what train on time. The idea about to make sure say to get their end on time is part of motivation. In one, the economical situation of nation. You see, you say you erratic power surprise me. Because more you know. When you have a plant, because there's a constant flow of electricity into your light the end of in the case of light in the banner or Chinema. Also, raw material, no, with me at the produce raw material because a short life span. We must say a perishable goods. Now, what's that cost no man? Because of the economic situation, you know, it will force the business to go and buy genset. Now a draining capital from the business. Bad road network, bad power supply, bad telephone network, bad internet network, in insecurity. Our money in affected businesses. Or your production attack and from the government, the economic situation, no, that's good businesses.
I was Ugoso Sinopi. We are live on Kumawu Television. Ura James Safo and AD and Komo or a financial expert. Extensively, yeah, financial mismanagement. Or the Empire. Ya kurante bit me a good man. So we are Jumani. One day I was say a Jumara Sika wouldn't be. We need Jumara Sika. We can be unfound, but your attitude can cause the company financially. What attitude will Subai? MSK wasn't a company Niano. Unya, and also Kahopa. And then the Jumara for Nankatan Sono. Muya Juman, of course, one of the fat girls. We are man, the idea. One of say yes. Owner of the company. And then employ unqualified personnel. And our boss one. So go unqualified. No fun. Yes, and what me money ye? MSK was a ebano into me Emma. Well, for the channel bra. Number sono and a good screen and the financial fast bra. Name and can nimre Arkansas. Mammy Musak Akramodia Bay and I feel the Bakanwa and Yamre Ebusa. Nanaya was a good evening, Sir Mike. I'm Nanaya watching you from Akumadan. Please ask him for me. Can family members also cause financial mismanagement in companies? Well, maybe manager, but Yabosudi, I believe, say when you want to cry, that we say what the man is saying is the truth. I had 2 companies, and my company's collapse due to the attitude of my workers. When I go to work at 9 o'clock, people around that area do complain that my workers come to work at 8:30. When I found out from them, they told me by 7 they had opened the shop. I took 3 days upon myself being in the workplace for some time and realized that they were coming late as usual. Because of that, a lot of my customers moved to another shop to buy goods. Major, the first one, you know, was for the second one, so.
There was a or papa. No, we meet or senior school.
Okay.
Papa, big warehouse also like rice or tongue, money and one or do. the Saturday na do Saturday pass Kofi money kin ni kai o kwa na nkwa ato no omle gumutum mu says there's so many stock no to say money scanning on padia kwa na pa na mo to bi no omle gumutum the fe on ba sana mo to on papa no be ko bank and the family members egu adwuma pa
obi adwuma na me fa busu afo
for o me say en fa obusuani
yeah ba obusuani na nda ho
fa obusuani a o good mentality
okay
we focus to achieve something in life we determined to help you to build the business if it's o background o mark o me for that back up ya employ that person and you know the rest
okay
so a large global on na bank we dey bank we you go bank
okay
on na dey ni mo no ma be 50 so ni mo yina mo employ the back crowd because you know their attitude on say you feel iska ofie okwa one the end of business time rough they say you can say employ if I remember but share there ono ni dawo I want to boa ma the man dey achieve success. That's the person you can engage in the business. Say oba ko na say oba no that's to ya don't employ him.
Okay.
But no fit so pay him more.
Okay. In trying to manage my finances in my workplace, as an upcoming businessman, how many employers should I take? Obi to question no. JB. Yeah. JB. Yeah.
Because the man also begin to offer the man strength. The man now begin demanding more staff. Maybe say the man say. Shop na we pretty. O to me no water. O roadside. Car come we come mama two boss. I feel say the man no if you quite na before delay. Then let me engage one person to attach to attach me. Go be an uncle no. Wait man two boss. Car be for park at the same time. Just na a delay pressure there man. It's like critique economic ma all kind. And then let me engage another services. Could I maybe year no 2 weeks and normal. If you have 5 staff at a go. Meanwhile no because I can't about 5 minutes I in the floor. You want plan until you plan you employ as when the business need another hands. I say to you but say you employ by you. You employ by there's a gap.
Okay.
Now you feel the gap. Gap we don't employ. Okay.
Right. Gap more employ. Can he help us in business planning?
Business planning there.
You have to different.
I say depending eduma we say question.
Okay.
Let me say the biana tell you small scale na yet.
Boja for.
On we okay study a boa. And maybe no we say o dey o captain na wuram. Maybe eduma no maybe say surprise dress. You take time na 20,000. Dress am surprise no. If you life span very short. If you see one and one as I say is product. Don't put all the money at a go in the business. Also say feasibility studies. First time, we say first time. I feel I study the market. And it's so free one now they we did a business in them. For the first phase, me for 4,000 euro. Now me for how the business will go. Me for 6,000 I talk baby. Until I put out to customers every question no. No say one area demand there. Ewo. If you begin to maybe say we ba say obi so ade koton corn beef. Maybe koton corn beef no. Koton no espresso.
Atonso espresso.
No say company nice business. Now you why be could be said stop no. When the last time I was talk come before we was in that check.
Wa akwa na ko bi sa
Could be said no. Anyway now could be a shop na ko to come before no. Come if back wo say. And ko for no me from those who are living around no. No them can afford come each day. So you now put into planning.
Okay.
Well, ko fa no na demand ni ho. Enti ebe lo capital. E ka we fa ai study ni gesia. O ya 2 cities go to be.
Okay.
I come a sell around 10 to 15 cities. Name to auto study 2 cities. Was the chief chairman. Say on be madrim. Come dey buy your fa come beef. Now so we dey lo capital. The plan there e gina ono no edima na akoya no so. Capital go tell even in Rome at a go. Study area na could be some business no.
Okay.
The buy and maybe now your university na
yeah.
So we have financial management here. So we under production. Also fluid what's the idea? Calcula what to move ko and cry.
Yeah.
Vortic. Maybe o ko nyame
So ni na akọ.
cry. One reason why.
Debi. It was royalties, not
The
royalties.
royalties.
That's the reason one of the managers gave me.
Don't you say? In business biana. We are into the production. E be a factory no one. So we na we production na. Supply no. We number of percentage we supply around that catchment area. We production no. Because for consume about 80%.
It means that we have a boy.
The factory to remain commercial.
Okay.
Now we represent the concrete and other
That's not fair cross but
that's work for. Now we are commercial consume only 10%. So the fucker in our concrete.
We see
I'm saying cost. They want to move it, but to where bad the demand is
high.
It's high. Sanity. On what you say.
Right, I think last one here. Na yemfa AC. Hi, Sir Mike. I think this is a usual weekly program. Why don't you take it one after the other, and then advise the workers also? I think so.
Say they can. Say what workers there? Pe obi bi eduma mawa. When you be a order nyamiase. Ebi a
By you remember the phone, so share you my phone ye. So they okay, what say no. Nipa na ekopa adwuma na adwuma na epe nipa no.
Yes.
Nti ono hu ne say oh
that be. Me say me de bia na me de me life yeah. Study. Maybe I say me we. Before I family na GS family say me ko cha there at was in high school.
So you had a choice to make.
That be. The Antoine one I went for interview for Antoine secondary school. I found me ko cha economics am me. You ma me data start school.
And I take a risk.
And I ready boom a week before resuming work at Antoine.
Okay.
That night, you know, I couldn't sleep. Me consult never be 10 me no consult mo di advice. Only 2 advice me say financial institution ameko. Say me after that Antoine is giving me after that 400. Aso mama 200 Ghana. The whole na mama me na no. High 400 so money aso ko ye college for ya pay na. Now
but I bet you man I bet 20 years.
Me kaba.
I'm ready to that.
Who jai 400. Abaji 200. How? No my own wale ya open na we university ah. Blah. What am I say? She would prefer me to go to the financial institution. Na me my day. Made my dear with short time. Mess am mo Antoine.
Yeah.
Also one reason. No say financial institution alcohol. Everything depends on you as a manager. If you work harder, let the money grow, it will grow with you. I'm saying to you, what's whenever it grow, it increase. Salary will be increasing. You will grow here, be 1% here. 10 years, or 10%. To go there and work harder and achieve something. I put that thing in my mind. They call them mini car. Bicycle, mini bicycle. Me the man to say to back mommy.
Okay.
Because of what? Me the money aduma. It in the cross motivate me ho. nti wo nti obi nti wo nya adwuma ya fa adwuma sɛ wo akasa adwuma fa sɛ adwuma no yɛ wo fa na wo pa na bia ma wo obi ko aso you know say wo ya o do adwuma kyɛ wo pay staff yo adwuma no wo say wo ya adwuma sɛ de adwuma no yɛ wo pa adwuma o ba so wo obi de ya na de wo de be ba sɛ kosoro wo pay be dey anya ya sɛ gu a e be ka wo nti adwuma fo no etomfo sɛ whenever you find yourself either be a private government work, put your maximum best. Do whatever you can to live the image of the business. And then that there will be a reward. People say, "Oh, my boy, we started no bobo. You come out to but you know, we do it. And what you pounds, dollars, it didn't. Hard work pays. Okay. We don't wait, my dear. I know they know you smart.
Right. Oye ro hoye dwuma de a baby aworo kwa na bia ya appreciate wa dachi bi nipa ba nipa kono no I remember ewura kusibo afoka asem bi kire me some time ago na me wo radio o say de wo ye no you might think say amanfo nhwe nipa dodo no a omo bako no ye na e bako na ye na ye hwe wo and the same people no na e bako me recommend o baabi ama baabi ehunu say adwuma wo ye no so you just keep on. If you are not baby, asana, say enko you know. Somebody may recommend you to a higher position. Be a you say, Major, phone number to ja. Afi fancy.
Your number is 0246
0246
58
70
69
Susubio 0246
58
okay
70 69
right. Nti manja na bana eda screen the so nti bia na opese wone no enya nkita odi bia I believe say obi a opese ofre wo oniska a lot of us afina ye ya no ye start something nti obi frɛ wo na waginim de afa ko betumi starting the business and now betumi keeping the business going ho I believe say kwanda ho
kwanda ho e free because e dey nimde dey unya uche you share because normally for advice you way no say would ya wo be put into use
okay
ya none of day the person a program na ye no Ghana ni bia program na ultimately achieve something in life because you must free consultation free advice because you no true nimde na nya no yankwa ye kipu
sure
until obia na wo free bia no we are always available
okay when na say nyumre
ne me da masapa say the tie for mpa che say na say be almost 1 month ni na
enshebo
that was na e ho ede
enshebo
e say dey
enshebo
abara bra no umbe uye nim because I don't go for oko wache tie wache that so ne ya adwuma no so tie che obi a dedika me chia mabusuafo me yire ne me manyina me adwuma for all the managers across the country
good
from executive to the region and the regional manager ne Rojana ne Kingsford obi a che obi a
national we know a regional bass of Boas and national
yambo any media conference
media national
media ne media na call national
okay
media ne regional
okay
regional na
okay
afia is onu no two categories
okay
top is the national no e the media na e ko national conference
oh okay
and media so da fe Boas no avia mu life for kuma
FA be alive. Right. James Safo, National Organizer Credit Unions, and then President Credit Unions Ashanti Region. On the sign, manager Edema Asumdi Credit Union. Abusia Credit Union. Better catch a biano. It be ben wa. Basika kotu officer. Credit Union anti say egu.
Yes.
Uza your Credit Union and your microfinance. Young microfinance be adwuma. Nemum the nimu de. Yante secretary to Biano
be bia and
ya obi anso sorry nti no ebu
and because mobile money kwanti no what kwada so de uta se bu aso
ya tutum da bia
mobile money mo rice kebrebe
good right ye try homra ye ba amanyefo no etna se se wala bio evena ison e wa ha ensam mienu pa na be de won komo openada Rollins ne ba ese June 4th enam so ma ne papa ebeji din atwituo no ena Ghana ho tira yekom no ate se dwumfo pepepe impanimfo he ase no mutu anamon o wie na John Dramani Mahama His Excellency enso de atoso akire mu ese oman no ye democracy ena afi so no ye
sika sem toto ye no asai kura nti ebehia emwa ina nkamum na yitimi fo man me si kwamba so no kwan ya man nam so de ntwaye asai kura enisa na afi ya ba behwe ada issues so a eno so e kan yetwa homra e ba de beto aso
Osi animdia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chi no wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
ya adwuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawa da efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da wada fom obi so ho wa akwala na no iso nsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma shiapa na nso ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be kono say abɛyɛ mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta da bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Komewood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well all pia you say free mu why the den ti be slower we na fa kokko we me na say dia wa wonu tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma me ti we we na na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye tigma na ma me why
ebusa yenko nkumase
nkumase
Martin Luther
oh nah it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya o sebina na ma yan ka twene ni ahwedan yo ne busu ya pani asoma me sebina me pada ka o ma se akamara na me so ya chini ye nya da ka yi
kokra na nsani o
na se mo na mo da so a wo hia me de we ni problem fra wo beje di se me free Dubai bedru Ghana ana me na na confident wo to na na mo ansia do ni eje yi ni problem so e wa bre de mi ni kapre odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ni mi yes kan hye hye o wo de mi ntwa no misika ya di ma me se me fa fa no isha afi so yese me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ya ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye ye ni se u benya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan no ye ko na mo ko tira o some Postman casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mo hu ni na Postman casket shop ye wo kuma se infant new town ye di labor office na ben Postman casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Enyarewa hodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso. Yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo. Me kanfo Tahwid Naturopathic Clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri Clinic di amawo. Madam Katri Clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho. Ye ne kofa ba ye de Madam Katri tonic